Welcome back, students. We completed the binomial distribution. Now we will start the Poisson distribution. Okay. And in this Poisson distribution, I will tell you that Poisson distribution is a limiting case of binomial distribution. When your n will move towards infinity, ना, तो आपका binomial distribution is a Poisson distribution. So, firstly, let me tell you. In case of this Poisson distribution, first thing, your n is moving towards infinity. Okay. And second thing, your probability of success. वो probability of success क्या है? Is tending towards 0. Probability of success is tending towards 0. And your NP, which is the mean in this binomial distribution, that will towards lambda as n goes to infinity. Okay. And 1 minus p is equal to q. This implies q is equal to 1 minus lambda. Okay. तो इस केस में your binomial distribution will become Poisson distribution. Here we will write, here NP is approaching towards 0, but in particular value of this lambda p will be lambda by n. Okay, probability of success is moving towards 0 as n goes to infinity, and here it is approaching towards lambda, equal नहीं है, but here it is equal to lambda by n. There is a difference in this and this. ये जब limiting case होगा, at that time it will, this product will approach towards lambda, और यहाँ पे equality है. Okay, now discuss what is Poisson distribution. Directly we will discuss the PMF here, because every time in every distribution your random variable will take only non-negative values. Okay, so here your x is starting from 0, 1, 2 and it is moving towards infinity. Binomial में क्या था? Up to and it is moving. Okay, so probability of x is equal to x, its PMF is given by x comma lambda. X and lambda are the parameters. E की पावर माइनस लैम्डा, लैम्डा की पावर x बाय x फैक्टोरियल. ओके, 0 होगा जब x लेस देन 0 हो एंड x ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 0 पे इट इज दिस. e की पावर माइनस लैम्डा, लैम्डा की पावर x बाय x फैक्टोरियल. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट थिंग व्हाट वी विल डू इज कि वी विल शो कि how from binomial distribution we are getting the this Poisson distribution. Okay, I will show you that thing. Firstly, I will erase this portion. Poisson distribution as limiting case of binomial distribution. Okay, so now probability of x is equal to x, that probability is ncx p की power x q की power n minus 1. Open this factorial, n factorial upon में x factorial n minus x का factorial. Okay, p की power x q की power n minus x. It will be n factorial को open करो, n minus 1 factorial up to so on, n minus x minus 1 factor 1 and after that n minus x का factorial. Okay, denominator में x factorial as it is, n minus x का factorial. Okay, what we need to make this complete term, we will convert this term into this form. Now see how will we proceed in this case. Okay, so it will be p की power x q की power n minus x. Okay, cancel out this and this one. Now it will be n minus 1 up to so on n minus x minus 1 upon में x का factorial. Okay, in place of p is equal to lambda by n, तो q is equal to 1 minus lambda by n. Put it here. It will be lambda by n की power x 1 minus lambda by n की power n minus x. Okay, so from here take this n common, and from this bracket how many n will come out? 1 from here, 2, then up to so on this x minus 1 times you will multiply your x. So n. So what will be the answer? And x minus 1 times you are multiplying your n. So your product, this product will be equal to n की power x minus 1. This n की power x minus 1 and this n will combine together and it will form n की power x. Let me write n की power x minus 1, 1 minus 1 upon में n up to so on 1 minus x plus 1 upon में n. और यहाँ से भी लैम्डा की पावर x को सेपरेट करो and n की पावर x is in denominator, तो I am writing here x factorial as it is. Now from here what I am doing, I will separate this power n and this power x. This power x is in minus form, so I will shift this term in denominator. Okay, so here this term will be 1 minus lambda by n की power n and denominator में 1 minus lambda by n की power x. This x minus 1 and this complete term, it will combine together and this will form n की power x. It will cancel out with this. Okay, so now taking limit as n goes to infinity. तो जैसे ही n infinity पे जाएगा 1 by infinity will be 0, 1 by infinity will be 0. And one more thing, terms in numerator are in product form. We can separate that limit in product only if we know कि that limit will exist. अगर if here is some case ना जिसमें limit exist ना हो रही हो, तो in that case we can't separate the limit. But here we know that limit will exist. How we know? See, this lambda की power x is independent of n. Take this out common. These two are independent of x. After that I am putting limit n goes to infinity on this 1 minus 1 upon में n up to so on 1 minus x plus 1 upon में n. And I am separating this limit. I am putting this limit n goes to infinity 1 minus lambda by n की power n and divided by what? This here is power is x. So we can apply limit directly because this power is independent of that n. Now from here 1, from next term also 1 come and from up to last तक यहाँ से आएगा only 1. Now here we know कि 1 minus a by n की power n is equal to e की power minus a. That formula I am using here. So it will be lambda की power x by x factorial 1 multiplied by that e की power minus a. देखो from here only 1 will left. यहाँ से क्या आएगा? e की power minus a according to that formula. Here a is lambda, तो e की power minus lambda. तो e की power minus lambda. Now let us talk about the denominator. Not infinity. Here it is x. That power is independent of n. Okay, that means no need to write in this way. Okay, now second thing, n is in denominator 1 minus lambda by n goes to infinity. तो lambda will by infinity it will be 0 है ना. देखो 1 by infinity is always 0 and 1 by 0 is always infinity. Keep this thing in your mind. Okay, so 1 by infinity will be 0, 1 minus 0 की power x, 1 की power x, 1 की power x is 1 itself. तो डिनोमिनेटर में आ गया 1. तो हेयर इट विल बी e की पावर माइनस लैम्डा, लैम्डा की पावर x बाय में x फैक्टोरियल. दिस इज योर PMF ऑफ पॉइजन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन.